Hi guys, it's Simon C. Welcome to this new AI radar. Today I have for you 3 news about artificial intelligence in the movie industry. On Science Mag, Eva Frederick reports that at the recent Storytelling Workshop 2019 held in Florence, Italy, researchers talked about an AI system that predicts which movies will fail simply from plot summaries. The researchers tested several models upon plot summaries of 42,306 movies from all over the world that the AI models broke up by sentence and used sentiment analysis to analyze each one. Sentences considered positive, such as Thor loves his hammer, would receive a rating closer to 1, and sentences that were considered negative, like Thor gets in a fight, would be rated closer to -1. Generally, successful movies such as 1951's Alice in Wonderland have frequent fluctuations in sentiment. Unsuccessful ones such as 29 The Limits of Controls fluctuate less. The researchers then used three methods to compress the sentiment ratings in each summary into a single score to reflect sentiment changes. All 3 methods could predict pretty accurately whether a movie would be unpopular, but performed poorly in predicting which movies would succeed. The researchers say the methods could be refined to predict the amount a movie could earn at the box office and help producers decide which movies to invest in, reports Frederick. On IT Pro, Bobby Heller explains how Cynelitic is one of the companies offering artificial intelligence tools to the film industry to help predict box office success. The Hollywood-based business applies machine learning models to licensed performance data from the box office, home rentals, and even pirated downloads, which it cross-references with information about genres, seasonal release dates, and even actors. Using this information, the company claims it can predict the economic value of a film and potentially the total revenues it will have over its lifetime. An entire project can be put through a subscription-based platform that works as an online questionnaire. Multiple scenarios can be run in a matter of minutes instead of days, thanks to the artificial intelligence models, and Cynelitic CTO Dev Sen says it enables executives to have a much fuller picture of the risk profile of a project during the decision-making process. As a proof of concept, co-founder Quasar and Sen used the platform to estimate the success rate of Hellboy's recent reboot, which was made on a budget of $50 million, and found that the movie was destined to flop. Indeed, the platform estimated a $23.2 million taken at the box office, less than half of its budget. In the end, it couldn't even manage that, earning just $21.8 million. The key statistics for Hellboy appears to be a mix of genre and timing. A caveat of the Cynelitic platform is that it can go beyond the data it's fed, points out Heller. Its algorithms will only be able to tell you what's worked in the past because that's all the information it has. There's nothing to help it predict a runaway hit that seemingly comes from nowhere. Lucas Matney on TechCrunch reports that real estate computer vision platform startup Matterport is set to acquire Arraiy, an artificial intelligence startup aiming to automate special effects processing in film. Arraiy raised $13.9 million, most recently a $10 million Series A in March of 2018. Lux Capital and SoftBank Ventures Asia led the round. Arraiy used AI tech to more seamlessly overlay digital content on physically captured spaces. The company had been firmly focused on changing the way digital effects houses in Hollywood made films, while plenty of computer vision startups were aiming to use AI and AR technologies to bring live Snapchat-like AR functionality to different corners of the web. Arraiy was banking on the high-fidelity world of film, where special effects production is an expensive, time-intensive process. Inman.com reports that the company says that its technology has been used in sports, broadcast, television production and gaming, among other industries, and that means the newly announced acquisition could give Matterport a foot in the door of a number of new sectors. As a bonus, this new from We Got This Discover reports that Tony Stark could potentially return as an artificial intelligence in an Ironheart movie a few years away. This isn't a sure thing just yet, but it is indeed being discussed at the studio, reports the website. The author thinks that letting Robert Downey Jr. stay away from the franchise for a while is actually a good thing. For my part, I don't give a damn, but since I know many gringos love the Marvel's franchise, I thought that reporting this could be a good thing. Okay guys, it's all for today. See you next time with AI Red. Bye.